Hello friends, welcome to your infotech channel. So last class we had discussed about the variables, right? Okay. So in the variables, let me know about so some some rules and regulations for declaring many variables. Okay. So some set of rules we can follow. Okay, while writing the variable names. So in this session, I would like to explain variable naming standards. Variable naming. How we can follow the naming standard for the variables. Okay. There are two limitations for the variable names in JavaScript. Okay, the name should be contain name must contain only letters. Okay, or it will contain digits or any other symbols. Okay, or like dollar symbol. Okay, and okay underscore. And next thing for second rule. Okay, first character must not be a digit. Okay, first character for letter first character is not a digit, is not digit. Okay, this is a rules and regulation. This is a rules for writing variable naming standards. Okay, so let me say an example here. Let okay user name. Okay, so we may write second camel case username like this. Okay, or I can write let so let test 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, and some of the okay so some of the valid names we have. We can also take let dollar equal to 10. Okay, we can declare the variable with the dollar symbol. Let me go to this Visual Studio, create new file. Now I can save the file with the we'll take variable naming.html. So what are the names we can writing for variables? For variable naming standard, let me take your script tag. Okay, so first thing you can print with okay valid usernames. Okay, so I may take here let username equal to your infotech like this. Okay, this is a valid name. Okay, and let me take here let text 1 2 3 equal to welcome to JavaScript. Okay, this is also valid username. Okay, and you may take let okay dollar equal to 10. Okay, this is also to declare a variable with the name dollar. Name dollar. Okay, so we can print here console.log dollar. Right click, open in default browser, go to this inspect, go to this console, then we have printed this one. Okay, using valid names, and we can also print let underscore equal to 20. This is also called a valid name. Okay, and we may also use like this alert. Okay, so I may concatenate this one plus underscore. Okay, I may get here 30. Okay, let me go to this browser. Let's reload this page. Underscore is not defined. So sorry. Now we'll get here 30. We may get here. Okay, so this page says 30. Okay, like you can use that. And for okay, for example, for incorrect variables, okay, let 1 year. Okay, this may shows that cannot start with the digits. If you hover on this one, okay, identifier keyword cannot immediately follow the numeric literals. Okay, expected sum. Okay, semicolon. This is a bad practice. And also invalid user, invalid user, invalid variable names. Okay, and also let my iPhone name. Okay, this is also a invalid name. Okay, so hyphens are not allowed in the name itself. Okay, and case matters. So case matters in the sense we can produce two same name with the two variables. Okay, with the small letters and capital letters. Let me take here. Let me remove. Okay, for examples, let me take here. Let okay, let fruit equal to apple. Okay, again you can take let fruit equal to banana. So here fruit and fruit is two different variables. Fruit and fruit, two different variables. We can use this one. Okay, both you can use fruit and fruit. If you want to see, you can also print this one. Let me copy this fruit. We can paste it here. Let me copy this fruit. So let me copy this one. Let me copy console statement. You can paste it here. Let me take here fruit. You can paste it here. Okay, it will print two different names, apple and banana. Okay, and we have some reserved words is there. Okay, we won't take reserved characters. Okay, reserved characters means reserved words. Let we can't take here. We didn't take this one. Okay, it shows an error. Let is not allowed because in the name let are constant declaration like this. Okay, like we can assign the like we can write the variables. Okay, this is the rules and regulations for writing this variables in JavaScript.